Hello, Amir sir. Tell me, how can I communicate to you?
Yeah, how are you? So there are basically 8 principles we should follow for effective communication. The first one is purposefulness. Whatever we have to communicate, that should be based on a definite purpose. Because when you speak purposefully, your integrity will increase. You will have a good impact. So the first and important thing is always communicate what is based on purposeful topic or purposeful nature. Thank you.
Sir. Tell me about second principle.
Second principle about effective communication.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you are chasing me. So the second principle is rigor. Rigor means that whatever you have to communicate, that should be rigorous. That should be based on rigorous. Now, rigor means that whatever you communicate, that should be based on multiple testing. You should apply multiple tests on an information, and then you should speak that information, because when you communicate something that is based on multiple tests, that will increase your confidentiality, your integrity, and your confidence.
Hello, sir. Tell me about third principle.
Third principle of effective communication is testability. Whatever you say, that should be testable, so that your audience can get it verified from independent people, expert people, right? So whatever you say, that should be based on universal truth. You should not be sharing your own perception, your own opinion. Whenever you communicate, that should be based on universal truth, so that everyone can get it verified from the expert person of that related field. Thank you.
Hello, Amir sir. Tell me about fourth principle.
You are continuously chasing me, huh? So we have already talked about purposefulness, rigor, and testability. The fourth principle is replicability. Whatever you communicate, whatever you say to your audience, they should replicate it by their own self, right? So try to create a model, try to speak like this, try to convey your information in such a way that your audience would also replicate it, and they can also communicate like you are communicating, right? Thank you.
Sir. Amir sir. Hello, Amir sir. Tell me about the fourth principle.
Yeah, we have already discussed purposefulness, rigor, testability, and replicability. Now, let me tell you about the generalizability. A good speaker should always talk about generalizability, because he has to speak to the larger population. So he has to follow 4 principles to cover the generalizability. The first thing is he should always be neutral. Neutral means whatever policy you make, whatever you say to your people, that should be based on neutrality. Treat everybody equal. The second is to follow completeness. You have to talk about complete information. Do not give incomplete information, but it will misguide the people. Next, the point should be free from error. Whatever you speak, it should be error free. And the last thing, be prudent. Prudent means you should always exercise precautionary measure for uncertainty. So a good speaker should always care for the uncertain events. Thank you.
Hello, Amir sir. Tell me about sixth principle.
The sixth principle is basically objectivity. Objectivity means you have to say whatever you say, that should be based on facts and figures, right? You should not be saying something which is based on emotional information. So a good speaker should always talk about facts and figures. He never says what he thinks personally, right?
Hello, Amir sir. Tell me about seventh principle.
Seventh principle is very important. That is basically precision and confidence. So precision and confidence mean that whenever you are speaking, whenever you are giving some information, your information should be based on precise variables. Only cover those variables which are significant for your study, and you should always conduct some test, some statistical test on your information, and that test should cover the confidence portion of your communication. So you should always be focusing on few but significant variables with confident statistical testing.